Welcome to Menai. We are on the slipway, ready to launch. How are we, Soph?
We're good.
We're good, we're good.
We're good.
Today we are with the mighty fine Seadoo GTX Limited 300. Check this out. The sun is shining. We're going to show you around the Menai Straits today, so without further ado, let's get on with it.
The 6 boys, the 7 girls, they've been led astray.
Hey.
So the plan is we have just launched at Menai. We've got the Menai Bridge right over there. I think first of all we're going to go up towards Bangor Pier and then up through past Billy Morris to Buffin Island, then work our way back down and see where we go from there.
And I am a passenger.
She's a passenger, she doesn't like being a passenger.
God help me. I will be. He will be a passenger soon. Yes, he will.
We're stuck here together. Don't worry, the beast will take things too far. Oh honey, you like some honey in a jar.
Welcome to the top of the Menai Straits. We have Buffin Island right there. We have Anglesey and mainland Wales.
Won't someone carry me?
University town of Bangor. Little fun fact for you here, whether it's true I'm not sure, but I'm going to tell you anyway. This pier right here, you laugh at that.
Pier right here.
Was bought for £1 in the last few years, and but in the contract they have to do it up, which is going to take a few years and probably a couple of £1 million. Look at all the scaffolding.
Pretty good, Gary.
That's pretty good how they got that over there.
That is really good.
Got Millionaires Row over there. Some beautiful, stunning houses there. Absolutely stunning. But I think what we should do is go back down towards Menai where we launched. Go through the Swallies between the two bridges. Got the Menai Bridge first, and then through the Swallies to the Britannia Bridge. I'll tell you a bit more about them when we get there. Here comes the Menai Bridge. One of the first suspension bridges in the UK, if not the first. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments below. But what a beautiful bridge it is. Beautiful. This is a south cardinal. South cardinal. What's that mean, Greg? Well, I'm going to tell you. It is telling you that there's safe water to the south of me. So you have to get your compass out if you don't know the area where you are. This here is south of that cardinal. So we're in safe water, marking the passage. But just check how stunning this place is. It is beautiful. The Britannia Bridge. It wasn't always like this bridge wasn't. I'll try and insert a picture of what it looked like, but it was like one big box section. If you see, there's two tiers. On top you got the A55, and then the tier below, there's none going across at the moment, but you have the trains. Carnarvon Castle, Victoria Dock,
and Sophie's still alive.
Sophie's still alive. Woo! After doing 70 miles an hour. Oh yeah.